Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Thursday, August 22nd. We saw some scattered showers and thunderstorms overnight last night here at Wallops, receiving about a tenth of an inch of rain here on the main base. We're going to see some much drier conditions today. It is going to be a little warm out there, highs in the low 90s. It does look like the dew point will be a couple degrees less than we have seen, so only expecting that heat index to get near 100 degrees as we go towards this afternoon under mostly sunny skies before we see rain chances really ramp up in the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow and for much of tomorrow as well. Taking a look at our surface analysis, we still have high pressure across the southeast, giving us some tranquil conditions this morning. We're going to see those winds a little bit more west to west-southwest today. That'll help to bump those temperatures up a couple degrees into the low 90s. We do anticipate those dew points to be one or two degrees less than they have been, so that'll help out with the humidity and heat index slightly, only expecting that heat index to get near 100 degrees this afternoon. We're going to be keeping an eye on next this cold front that's currently just to the west of the Appalachians. That's going to continue to slowly march eastward as we go through the next couple of days here. As we go into tonight, we're going to get a weak shortwave moving across the Piedmont, giving some thunderstorms there, and it is going to be does look like it's going to be weakening a bit as it crosses the Chesapeake after midnight tonight, but still going to be giving us a chance for some isolated to widely scattered showers and thunderstorms, mainly between about midnight and 6 a.m. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds this morning, seeing winds generally westerly across the entire column, running around 10 to 15 knots up to 3,000 feet, then increasing to 25 to 30 knots from 6,000 to 12,000 feet, and then they are decreasing a bit from 16 to 25,000 feet at around 15 to 20 knots. Seeing a little bit of a higher freezing level this morning, which is helping to contribute to some warmer temperatures as well. Freezing level just below 15,000 feet. Taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be seeing that high of 93 early this afternoon with westerly winds increasing to 7 to 12 knots late this morning, then 8 to 13 knots this afternoon before becoming southwesterly in the late afternoon hours, and then south-southwesterly as we get towards the sunset and in the early evening. Overnight, winds will shift more southwesterly again, becoming westerly at 8 to 13 knots by mid-morning Friday. We are going to be seeing that area of showers and storms move east across the area overnight. It is going to be just some isolated chances, only running around a 20 to perhaps 30% chance to see a isolated shower or storm here. Looks like the best time will be between about midnight and 4 a.m. to see any of that activity. So fairly similar to what we saw last night. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, going to mainly just be seeing a few clouds between 3,000 and 4,000 feet as we go towards this afternoon, and then a scattered to perhaps broken cirrus deck for much of the day until we get about 10 p.m. Then we'll start to slowly see those clouds increase in the mid and upper levels, and then with the clouds becoming scattered to broken between 2,000 and 3,000 feet, and any showers or thunderstorms after midnight tonight. As we go into the pre-dawn to mid-morning hours tomorrow, going to be seeing a few to scattered cloud deck at 2,000 feet, scattered to broken at 4,000, and then some broken mid-level and upper-level decks as well. Taking a look at our satellite loop this morning, there is some showers and thunderstorms lingering across the tidewater. That will remain south of the area as we go throughout today. Across the Delmarva, seeing those mostly sunny skies, mainly just seeing a little bit of upper level cloudiness. That upper level cloudiness will increase a bit. As you can see, it's a little bit thicker as we go west of the area. Otherwise going to be remaining partly cloudy and mostly sunny throughout the day, as we have a little bit of a cap in the atmosphere that will help to prevent any sort of pop-up thunderstorms throughout the day today. Taking a quick look at a short-term model to see how these thunderstorms might develop as we go towards tonight. So remaining dry throughout the day today. Then when we get to 8 p.m., we are going to be starting to see some scattered showers and storms across central Virginia up near our nation's capital. That area of showers and storms is going to continue to move eastward, weakening just a bit as it gets over towards the Delmarva by about 10 p.m. tonight, and then seeing those chances of showers and storms impacting the Delmarva starting around midnight and then perhaps persisting through about 4 a.m. Then those look like those rain chances will be clearing out. As we go into tomorrow, we are going to be seeing that cold front that we had mentioned earlier continue to move towards the area, and that's going to help to ramp up our shower and thunderstorm chances late tomorrow and tomorrow night. So it does look like we're going to remain dry across the area for the morning hours tomorrow, between about 6 a.m. and noon. But then that front is really going to start to increase. We're also going to be seeing that the moisture increase a bit, as well as some continued warmer conditions with some westerly wind. That'll help to increase the instability, and with that focus of that front, we are going to start to see some widespread pop-up showers and storms after about noon tomorrow develop. And then it does look like, as we get towards the late afternoon, starting to see those showers and storms more likely, and we'll continue to see rounds of showers and storms through the late afternoon and into tomorrow night as well. Taking a look a little bit longer range on our forecast here. This is going into tomorrow. We're going to start to really see those showers and storms increase for the late afternoon and early evening time frame tomorrow, persisting through much of the overnight hours, especially across the southern Delmarva as we go into Friday night. As we go into Saturday, it does look like we are going to be seeing much of that rain really decrease. Could be seeing just a chance of a lingering isolated shower Saturday morning, especially here at Wallops and areas south. But that front is going to be then continuing to move south away from the area with high pressure building into the north. So expecting a mostly dry day on Saturday with clouds decreasing a bit. High pressure continues to build in across the northeast United States as we go into Sunday, helping to give us some dry conditions under mostly cloudy skies. We're also going to be seeing some onshore flow develop behind that front starting on Saturday. That'll help to knock down those temperatures into the mid to upper 70s, especially along the coast. Might see even some areas struggle to get out of the low 70s as we go into this weekend. So going to early next week, we are going to be seeing a area of low pressure develop off of the Carolina coast. Still a lot of questions on the forecast of this, so it does look like it's just going to be a weak area of low pressure for now, and then it is going to kind of parallel the coast as it slowly makes its way northeast. And as we go into Monday and through Tuesday and Wednesday, that'll help to increase our shower chances here along the Delmarva and across the mid-Atlantic. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, going to be mostly sunny today and hot, expecting that high of 93. Going to be expecting another warm and muggier low tonight, low down to 77. Tomorrow, it does look like we're going to be dry in the morning hours, but as that front approaches the area, we're going to quickly see those showers and storms really ramp up as we get towards the mid-afternoon hours. Does look like they'll start out as some pop-up showers and storms and then become more numerous as we go into the evening hours. Thunderstorms becoming likely by the evening and into the early overnight hours Friday night into Saturday. And then Saturday, we could be seeing just a 20% chance of a lingering isolated shower, mainly before 10 a.m. Still going to be mostly cloudy, but we'll start to see that dry air move into the area, as well as seeing that onshore flow develop. That'll cut off our rain chances and also help to knock down those temperatures for a few days. Only expecting that high of 79 on Saturday. Sunday, the easterly shore will be pretty persistent, and that'll help with mostly cloudy to overcast skies. That'll help to knock that temperature down into the mid-70s. Also seeing those lows down into the mid-60s starting Sunday morning into perhaps Tuesday morning. Then on Monday, we'll start to see that low that we had mentioned develop off of the Carolina coast, and getting some moisture, more moisture and train into the onshore flow with a little bit of energy. That'll help to give us a chance of some scattered showers or perhaps just some light drizzle under cloudy skies. So Monday looks like a pretty dreary day with the temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. On Tuesday, we'll still be monitoring that weak low developing, but it does look like that'll continue to give us some conditions fairly similar to what we'll see on Monday. Temperatures will start to increase a bit as our upper level temps start to rise. So expecting a temperature in the around 80 degrees on Tuesday, continued with cloudy skies and a chance of showers. Then Wednesday, our winds will turn a little more southerly. Does look like we'll get some peaks of sunshine. That'll help to increase our instability across the area, giving us a chance of some scattered pop-up thunderstorms across the Delmarva for Wednesday, looking at about a 30% chance with highs into the mid-80s. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.